Joining FasterCapital's Raise Capital program was one of the best decisions that we made. The entire team at FasterCapital has been incredibly supportive.
We've joined FasterCapital Equity Pilot Program to raise funds and connect with investors. And from the very first days, their contribution, their support has been amazing.
I have to say, this team is state of the art. They were able to propose actions and practices that we have not been able to get until their help.
FasterCapital raised more than $1.8 million within a significant short period of time.
Our FasterCapital team joined us into refining our document, business model, business plan, and financial document. It was really great. But also they presented our startup in front of investors.
Working with FasterCapital has been a positive experience for me, and I truly recommend their program to any startup looking for guidance and the right investor network.
Frankly, I was very pleased to work with this company because every step was planned and everything was perfect organized.
Working with the FasterCapital was indeed an awesome experience I have ever got. They helped us creating our pitch deck, financial modeling, and they have given such a personalized solution that we are very comfortable with the investor to pitch our product in a very specific manner.
FasterCapital has helped us, in gaining new perspectives as to how our business can be constructed. So we like the experience very much. Being part of Equity Pilot is so much fun.
And they were all really handy, giving me advices, and I think it's a really good partnership, and I'm sure they can help me to find the right fit.
FasterCapital team to improve our pitching approach and creating a content and design that stand out.
We've been working with FasterCapital, and they've been tremendously helpful from the scratch to the point where we're meeting investors. They've helped us even in our presentations.
I would like to specially thank Mr. Hisham and the whole FasterCapital team. They were always professional, supportive, and very responsive in communication.
The team has been amazing with their help thus far. The feedback they provided was very constructive. It helped us to find out many weaknesses and gaps in the materials which we had initially.
En fait, le retour et la stratégie adéquate et le retour des business angels ont fait qu'on a pu affiner et je dirais même perfectionner notre pitch deck et notre business plan.
The team was amazing with their help. The feedback was very constructive and help us to find our weakness and gaps in the material that we had.
Communication with the FasterCapital team has been excellent, and Mr. Hisham Jarek in particular shared very insightful suggestions that gives us more confidence in approaching the angel investors and VC for our $1 million fundraising round.